The incredible journey of the painted lady butterfly has been meticulously mapped, revealing a non-stop transatlantic flight spanning an impressive distance of 4,200 kilometers. Greetings, everyone! Today's video focuses on the fascinating exploration conducted by researchers who employed groundbreaking methods to trace the migration of painted lady butterflies across the Atlantic. Through a comprehensive analysis encompassing wind patterns, genetics, pollen DNA, and isotopes, they successfully identified the probable origins of these butterflies in either Africa or Europe. Astonishingly, their study unveiled the butterfly's remarkable capability to embark on a non-stop flight, spanning a staggering distance of 4,200 kilometers over the ocean, made possible by favorable wind conditions. This groundbreaking research sheds light on the often underestimated dispersal abilities of insects, and underscores the potential impact of climate change on long-distance migration and biodiversity. Without further delay, let us delve into our discussion. The research team, led by Gerard Talavera from the Institut Botanique de Barcelona, IBB C6 CMCNB, Thomas Souchan from the W. Safer Institute of Botany, and Clement Bataille, Associate Professor in the Department of Earth and Environmental Sciences at the University of Ottawa, along with Megan Reich, a postdoctoral researcher from the Department of Biology at UOttawa, Roger Vila and Eric Toro Delgado, scientists from the Institute of Evolutionary Biology, IBE CSIC UPF, and Naomi Pierce, a professor of biology in the Department of Organismic and Evolutionary Biology at Harvard University, embarked on an innovative scientific mission to trace the mysterious journey and origin of the painted ladies using multidisciplinary tools. The team of researchers first analyzed the wind patterns leading up to the butterfly's arrival in October 2013. They discovered highly favorable winds that could have facilitated a transatlantic journey from Western Africa, suggesting that these individuals may have flown across the entire ocean. By examining the genetic makeup of these individuals and conducting a thorough analysis, scientists were able to determine that the butterflies exhibited a stronger genetic affinity with African and European populations. This finding effectively ruled out the possibility of these individuals originating from North America, providing further support for the theory of a transoceanic voyage. By employing innovative molecular methods, researchers were able to utilize a distinctive combination of techniques. The DNA of pollen grains carried by the butterflies was sequenced, leading to the discovery of 2 plant species exclusive to tropical Africa. This finding strongly suggests that the butterflies fed on African flowers prior to embarking on their transatlantic journey. To further investigate their origin, the scientists examined the hydrogen and strontium isotopes present in the butterfly's wings, which act as a unique chemical signature indicating their region of birth. By integrating these isotopes with a model assessing the suitability of various habitats for larval development, potential origins in Western Europe, including France, Ireland, the United Kingdom, or Portugal, were identified. According to Dr. Bataille, this study represents a groundbreaking approach in methodology. It marks the inaugural attempt at utilizing a combination of molecular techniques such as isotope geolocation and pollen metabarcoding on migratory insects. The outcomes of this study show great potential and can be applied to numerous other species of migratory insects. This innovative technique has the potential to revolutionize our comprehension of insect migration. According to Roger Vila, a researcher at the Institute of Evolutionary Biology, CSIC Pompeu Fabra University, and co-author of the study, butterflies are often seen as delicate symbols of beauty, but scientific evidence reveals their remarkable abilities. There is still much to uncover about what they are capable of. In their study, the researchers examined the feasibility of a transatlantic flight by analyzing the energy expenditure required for such a journey. Taking into account favorable wind conditions, they concluded that the butterflies could successfully complete a non-stop flight over the ocean lasting 5 to 8 days. To accomplish this flight, the butterflies employed a strategy that involved alternating between active flight, which is energetically demanding, and gliding with the wind. In the absence of wind, the butterflies would have been able to fly a maximum distance of 780 kilometers before depleting their fat reserves and running out of energy, explains Eric Toro Delgado, one of the co-authors of the article. Researchers highlight the Saharan air layer as a notable pathway for dispersion, emphasizing its role in transporting substantial quantities of Saharan dust from Africa to America, which in turn nourishes the Amazon. However, this study reveals a new dimension to these wind currents, demonstrating their ability to transport living organisms. This discovery suggests the presence of natural aerial corridors that connect continents, potentially enabling the dispersal of species on a far grander scale than previously envisioned. According to Megan Reich, a postdoctoral fellow at the University of Ottawa and co-author of the study, this research effectively showcases our tendency to underestimate the capacity of insects to disperse. Additionally, there is a strong likelihood that we are also undervaluing the frequency and ecological consequences of these dispersal events. According to the study's lead researcher Gerard Talavera, migratory phenomena have played a significant role in shaping the current distribution of species as observed throughout history. The possibility of witnessing significant alterations and a potential rise in long-distance dispersal occurrences is underscored by researchers as a result of global warming and shifting climate patterns. The repercussions of such changes could have a profound impact on biodiversity and ecosystems on a global scale. Gerard Talavera concludes that the establishment of systematic monitoring protocols for dispersing insects is crucial in order to anticipate and alleviate potential threats to biodiversity arising from global change. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, share and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.